Today I bring another flash drive for external data storage via USB-C. This device has the capacity of 128 gigabytes. But I will show you the features, the true capacity and the speed to copy files to confirm if this is a reliable storage device. But first, subscribe to the channel because I bring new products every week. Let's start by looking at the information on the packaging. From the Kingston brand, and the model is DataTraveler70 with 128 gigabytes of capacity, with a USB-C connector and USB 3.2 speed, which corresponds to 4.8 gigabits per second. It has a 5-year warranty, and this flash drive allows you to connect to portable computers, desktop computers, tablets and smartphones. It is 5 centimeters long, with a cover to protect the USB connector and a capacity of 128 gigabytes. To open the package, you will have to cut with scissors. Then, just cut according to the marks on the packaging. Cut at the top of the packaging, and now just take the flash drive out of the package. Inside the package, there's only one thing, the USB flash drive. And that's all that comes in this package, a USB flash drive, which I will show in more detail. You can see that it's not small. I have already shown others that are much smaller. It has a transparent plastic cover to protect the USB plug. It should have USB 3 speed, but later I will test that speed. It is made of plastic and cannot be disassembled. But it has an important characteristic for me. It has a hole, so I can put a ribbon on it, or put it on a keychain, so it doesn't get lost easily. It's a simple USB flash drive without any special features. This flash drive has a USB Type-C plug to connect to the devices, because more and more computers are no longer having USB Type-A plugs. For example, I have this USB-A flash drive here, but if I want to connect to this computer, the computer does not have a connection to connect it to. It has a USB-C, it has HDMI, but it does not have USB Type-A. That's why I can't connect this flash drive to this computer, because this plug is not compatible with a new computer. But with a USB-C flash drive, I can now connect to this computer, because this flash drive has a USB Type-C plug. The positive aspects of this flash drive: it has a storage capacity of 128 gigabytes, so I'll be able to copy a lot of information. It is small, so you won't lose it or forget it connected to a computer. But it has an important characteristic for me. It also has a hole, so you can put it on a keychain to take it with me. It has a USB Type-C connector, which allows you to connect to new computers that no longer have USB Type-A plugs. And it is USB 3.2 Gen 1 speed. But I still have to confirm if it really reaches that speed, because manufacturers lie. About the negative aspects, you might consider that 5 cm size is a negative aspect, because it makes it big. You may also think that the USB-C plug is a negative aspect, although the USB-C plug allows you to connect to new computers that no longer have a USB-A connection, such as MacBook computers. But if you want to connect this USB-C flash drive to an older computer which does not have USB-C connection, then you won't be able to connect it without using an adapter. Therefore, these negative aspects will depend on the type of computer you are using. This was another video about this USB storage device, but there will be more videos to know everything about this product, to learn about the features, positive aspects, problems, the speed to copy files, and my opinion if you should buy this product. Now, subscribe to the channel because I publish new videos every week.